Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jogun Singh. I am from the reporter of Jantak. So today we crucial time of world because there are three countries involved this war of typical like of in Iran genocide through by the two countries USA and Israel. So we are now asking of the crucial topic of today and know the public opinion. So hello, ma'am.
Hello,
So how are you?
I'm good.
So I'm not asking of your question of just like of the effect of this war in happening in Middle East. So what is your opinion about that?
So about the war is not good for a country and every country because there are problems that facing normal people and also the many people die in the war. So I'm not agree with any war.
So ma'am, this is a right becomes Iran collected the uranium of like of amount of 90% of, and Iran will be become a nuclear power. So I think but the two countries were killing and destroy any kind of storage of uranium, also the crude oil. So what is the effect of nuclear power of this country?
So I don't know nothing much about it. So I skip this question.
Okay, ma'am. So, tell me about the our country effect of this war, like of inflation and the crude oil.
So in nowadays, everyone in our country already facing the price rise in everything, and after this war, we can face the high prices on petrol. Things like the petrol is right now 1 liter is 110 rupee, and after that war, the petrol price should high because in India's only have the storage of petrol of 1.5 year half months. So after the purchasing petrol from Russia, the price will be high.
Because so, ma'am, yesterday Russia released a document like of we are not to like of something give you a like of same price of crude oil. Because we don't give you the discount of crude oil. So I think because Russia and India together will because the time of friendship. So I think this is wrong and this is right because they did not deny we not give you the discount of crude oil.
So in the world, every country just see the benefits of our country. So by the seeing that Russia also have a point of view that I make money or this is good for our country. So that is.
And thank you so much, ma'am, to give you the answer. So hello, sir. What is your name?
I am Saurabh Moore, and you?
My name is Jongan Singh. I am the reporter of Jantak. Can I ask something like of a situation of this Middle East war? Can I ask questions?
Yeah.
So tell me, this is the right because there are two countries were killing in like of genocide in Iran. So many peoples were killing by the two countries. This is right.
It is wrong because Israel kept it to Iran because America support anytime Israel. Iran is the bandar of oil because supply many countries supply oil. Israel is the navy on Iran.
I think if a point of view of world because Iran attacking the most of the these countries like Iraq, UAE, and most of the in Dubai city, and also the 11 countries attacking by Iran. This is the right.
It is the wrong because America support Israel. America is the supreme leader of the world. America said that Qatar is Iran, Syria, Saudi Arabia is not support America destroy this country. That's the reasons attack on Iran.
Because of you tell me about the USA has a power of world. I think this is a wrong for world because the own power only on the one country. This is right.
Yeah, America is the supreme power of the country in the world.
Because you very well know because just like our same situation in Iran like over killing by USA and the like of something like of different time and one day we will attacked by USA in India. So I think this is a wrong.
Both.
Because the finance like of MEA Minister of USA said that we are not giving the technology of India because just like of that of the 20 years 30 years ago, that time he supported the China economy and boost skills and learn and teach skill, taught any kind of things and support of the high level of, and that is now, and we are standing together like of second world trillion economy of China. So because we are potential that I here feared about this, India will be become a huge economy of in next times. So
Okay, first of all, as you know that about this war, because India support Israel, because before some years Israel support India because nuclear power made on Pakistan. Pakistan said that I will destroy India one day, but because Israel support on India every time, or America say that because and America thinking America people is the superior, that's it is the not it is the not equal for Indians. America, it is the one mistake before China. Just China is the advanced technology, communication, facility development, and China is the master of technology in the country. Few minutes China made the pull on metro. China. That's the reason America said that India it is the not grow on at that time, but I think India is the huge economy on in the world, like overtake on Germany, and third India is the rank in economy for third, and 4.3 trillion economy at that time. India is the rapidly growth at this time. India is not fear any one country. India destroy or one day every country. India is a huge power. That's the reason.
thank you so much, sir, to give the
Thank
answer.
you.